For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name's Murad. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. For those who follow my channel, won't be surprised that I replaced my 2022 Kia EV6 GT Line Package 2 with this 2026 Kia EV9 GT Line Panthera metal on brown. And those who don't, surprise! Now for those who follow my channel, know that there are tons of videos to come about the EV9 and a very detailed owner review. But for now, we're just going to do a quick walk around to show you what the Panthera metal paint looks like and what the two-tone brown and black interior looks like. I love this aggressive and sporty front end, and you can see the illuminated grille with GT line specific pattern and the daytime running lights. I did get the dealership to install winter tires and rims, which I got from them, approved by Kia Canada at the time of delivery, because we are in November already in the Toronto area. It is super cold and we're gonna get snow tomorrow, and I just got this car 5 days ago. 255 60 19ths. Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV tires. One of the best on the market today. This is what your brown and black interior looks like. Is that business class seating or what? The dash is also brown, so is the bin down there. It gives the car a very luxurious look. And that's it. Stay tuned for those videos. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.